Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to enable maintenance mode in Hostinger WordPress. First, log into your Hostinger account. Once you're in, go to the Websites tab on the left panel. Here, you'll see a list of all your websites. Now, select your WordPress site and open its dashboard. Once you're inside the dashboard, click on the WordPress Overview section. Here, under the Core section, you'll find the option to turn on maintenance mode. So go ahead and just toggle it on, and that's it. Your WordPress site is now in maintenance mode. With this enabled, visitors will see a temporary maintenance message instead of your live website while you're updating plugins, editing pages, or making major changes. This helps you work on your site safely without your visitors seeing any errors or unfinished content. Once you're done making updates, you can simply toggle it off and your website will be back online as usual. And that's just basically it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.